Hey, tech fans. Ready to explore a hidden gem on your iPhone? Apple's got a nifty feature that checks your hearing. Here's how to use it. Open your Settings app. Scroll down to Accessibility. Tap on Hearing. Now select Headphone Accommodations. Toggle it on. Boom! You'll see an option called Custom Audio Setup. Tap that. Follow the on-screen instructions. It's like a mini hearing test right on your phone. You'll listen to different sounds and pick what you hear best. This helps to personalize your audio experience. Perfect for making your music, calls, and videos sound just right. And it's not just for Apple headphones, it works with any pair. Pretty cool, huh? So next time your tunes sound off, remember your iPhone's got your back. Give it a try and let us know how it goes in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Catch you in the next one.